Hello YouTube, we're going to be playing some White Noise online, and it's basically Slender for the Xbox, so we're going to go and try this out. It's on the Xbox Live Store. It's 80 Microsoft points, so go and get it. So like I said, it's a bit like Slender. So I've got my volume up, I'm in the dark, and let's start a game. Don't know where we want to go, but I'm going to go for this one. Let's go for him. So I've really kind of played this once. I have. So it's like Slender, basically. So you've got to find the. Let me just turn off my notifications. Sorry about that. Alright, sorry about that. So you got to find tape recorders instead of notes, and yeah. So I'm gonna try this out. I don't know what happens or what he looks like. So yeah. You might just hear some screaming. That might be me. But yeah, let's try out this. So anything behind here? No. Okay, so the tape recorders are quite big, and they make noises when you get close to them. So they should be pretty good to find. You can run, and then you can't see anything. You can't see anything, and I can't see anything. And it's freaky. Yeah, so we're gonna see how long I can go for. Right, there's a path. So if I follow this path, this way. Yeah, so it's basically just like Slender. No, I'm not sure what happens. It's like, oh. What is that? Who the hell is that? What? Sorry, what is that? Huh? What the hell is that? Have I got someone on... Have I got someone joining me? Okay. Alright. Whoever you are, you're going on YouTube. Hey look. Tape recorder. This is what they are. Oh my god! Oh, dude, you scared the hell out of me. Okay, you just told us not to listen to the tape, and I'll listen to it. Right, he's going that one. Oh my god, what the hell is that? What the hell? I'm shaking. Oh my god. Dude, wait for me. Dude, I'm scared. Oh my god. What? He died? How did he die? I'm scared. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm scared. Oh, I'm shaking. Jesus. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh, where the hell is that? Oh, oh my god, no! Oh! Oh! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. That is so scary. Jeez. That scared the heck out of me. Oh my god. That is awful. Oh, I'm shaking. Yeah, so, it's just showing me where I went, and that's where I died. Oh god. So, that is white noise. Jesus, that scared the hell out of me. Oh my god. I'm shaking. Oh my god, I think this is worse than Slender. Jesus. Jesus. That scared the hell out of me. Oh my god. Jesus. Okay, so we're gonna leave this here. Oh my god. My heart is pounding. Oh my god. I need to turn on my light. Oh my god. Jesus. Oh, so rate, comment, subscribe. Hit that like button. And thanks for watching and go and buy the game.